Hello, bonjour. This is Jennifer Asada back to you with more insights on how to create a business and a life successfully. But what I meant to say is success in your life and business. Same thing. It doesn't matter. Okay, remember yesterday, actually it's today, okay, recorded the same day because I'm doing all of this while I'm inspired. Uh-oh. My daughter is messaging me that she's going to the beach with a boyfriend. Great. So, yeah, what was I saying? Yes, okay. Yesterday I was sharing with you the number one thing to create success in your business and in your life was to feel good, to have fun, right? Okay, so today, the second video, which is the same day, okay, I'm not wearing the same clothes every day, is look at what you have, okay? Focus on what you have going on for yourself and not what you don't have, okay? Oftentimes, we hear people say, well, but I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have the skills, I don't have the time, I don't have the money, but I don't know how. Who cares? That is irrelevant because not focusing on what you don't have is not going to help you go forward towards what you want, okay? But instead, what you can do, and that's going to be beneficial, okay? Can't pronounce words that are longer than 3 syllables. Beneficial for you is to look at what you do have. Okay, what do you have? Do you have plenty of time? What resources do you have? Do you have money? Maybe a little bit of money saved? Do you have skills? Do you have skill set? Okay, if you've been alive for a certain amount of time, there's certainly some skills that you have built over time. And I don't care if you went to college, if you had an education or some training, okay, these are all good. But what have you become good at over time? What are you known as? You know, are you the person who's super organized? Are you the person who's super good at communicating? Are you good at making people laugh? What are your skills that you can capitalize on? What do you have going on for yourself? You know, do you have a roof over your head? Do you have an internet connection? Do you have a laptop? Do you have a phone? Do you have support? Do you have a supporting environment? Do you have someone in your life who loves you more than anything else and is ready to do anything for you? This is what you have going on, because when you focus on what you do have, not only are you going to attract more of that, but it's going to inspire you. Also, it's going to inspire you to take action as opposed to inaction, right? Okay, does it make sense? Okay, so focus on what you have and maybe don't use the things, the words, the sentence, I don't have the money, I don't have the time, okay? Even if it's true, just don't say it. Don't say it and turn that into, how can I create more time in my daily routine? We all have the same amount of time. We all have 24 hours. How many of those hours do you spend sleeping? Do you spend watching TV? Do you spend browsing on the internet doing nothing? Do you spend, okay, I understand sometimes you have to do things such as, you know, taking the kids to school, commuting to work, prepare meals, have showers. You know, how can you maximize this time? Okay, one thing that I do, because we're always running out of time. So one thing that I do is washing dishes. I use that time to do something else. I use that time to feed my brain, to listen to something. So, you know, now I love washing the dishes because it's my me time where I can do things that I want, that I love. Okay, so there are lots of little things like that that you can do to maximize your time, and the same with everything else. So ask yourself, how can I get, instead of I don't have, how can I get? And then somehow, yes, this will appear magically into your reality. How can I get more time? How can I get more money? How can I get more skills? Okay, because then what you do, you're opening your mind and those things start appearing into your life. Does it make sense? Please let me know. I want to know if this makes sense to you or if it's complete rubbish or whatever it is. What is your insight? Let me know. Please leave a comment below and I will reply. I promise. If I don't reply straight away, it means I didn't see you, but as soon as I see it, I will reply. What you can do as well, if you haven't already done so, is subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to share more and more, not only of those insights, of the principles, success principles that you can apply into your life, into your business, but also practical know-hows on how to get started in creating a successful online business, because you don't have to be a celebrity nowadays. You don't have to be famous. You don't have to have a name. You don't have to have connections. Okay, we have the tools given thanks to this kind of internet thing going on. Anyone with a desire can create success on the internet. Okay, Jennifer Sada, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye for now.